Flags are more than just pretty fabrics. They show where people come from and what they believe in. A good flag should represent the people it stands for and show their culture and values. But what makes a good flag? The book Good Flag, Bad Flag by Ted Kaye gives 5 key principles for creating a good flag design. Number 1. Keep it simple. A good flag design should be simple and easy to recognize, even from a distance or when seen from the opposite side. Bangladesh's flag is a prime example of a simple yet meaningful design, with just 2 bold colors and a powerful symbol of a rising sun over the water, representing the nation's struggle for independence and its optimistic future. Number 2. Use meaningful symbolism. The flag's pictures, colors or shapes should match what it represents and be relatable to people. The Ukrainian flag does this perfectly, using blue and yellow colors to represent the sky and wheat fields, making it easy for the people to connect with their country. Number 3. Use 2 to 3 basic colors. The flag should use no more than 3 contrasting colors from the standard set of red, blue, green, black, yellow and white. This makes the flag easy to recognize and reproduce accurately. The Japanese flag is a great example of this, with a simple yet distinctive design using only 2 colors. Number 4. No lettering or seals. A flag should be easily recognizable even from afar. Words and seal are too detailed and defeat the purpose of a flag. Number 5. Be distinctive or be related. A flag should be unique and avoid duplicating other flags, but it can use similarities to show connections. While these 5 principles are not the only guidelines for designing a flag, they are widely recognized as important elements of a good flag design. The flag of Estonia is considered a great flag, even though it appears simple with just 3 stripes. However, the colors of the flag accurately represent the winter landscape of Estonia, with blue symbolizing the sky, black representing the forest, and white standing for the snow. Most countries have a rectangular flag with a 3:2 ratio, but only Switzerland and Vatican City have a square flag with a 1:1 ratio. Nepal's flag is unique because it does not follow a rectangular or square format. Instead, it features 2 triangles that represent the Himalayan mountains. Nowadays, the triangles are interpreted as symbolizing Nepal's 2 main religions, Hinduism and Buddhism. Paraguay's flag is the only one with a changing seal on the front and back, making it truly one of a kind. The Philippine flag has an interesting feature where it can be inverted during times of war. The inverted version has a red stripe on the top instead of the blue, indicating the country is in a state of war. South Africa's flag breaks the rule of using 2 to 3 colors by using all 6 from the standard set. Despite this, it is a well-designed and visually striking flag. The Belize flag is a colorful blast. Unlike most flags that use only 2 to 3 colors, it incorporates a whole bunch of colors that make it hard to count them all. This flag stands out as the only one that features human beings. Purple is a rare color in national flags, appearing only in 3: Dominica, El Salvador and Nicaragua. The Jamaican flag breaks away from the usual red, white and blue color scheme, as it proudly showcases green and black shades along with the golden solitaire. Chad and Romania's flag have a strikingly similar design, which goes against the principle of having a unique flag. Romania has been using this design since 1867, but only officially adopted it in 1989. Monaco and Indonesia share a fun coincidence. Their flags are identical. Both countries use a flag design that is half red, half white. Interestingly, Monaco adopted this flag design in 1881, while Indonesia followed suit in 1945. But wait, there is more. If you add a moon and stars to this design, it transforms into the flag of Singapore. And if you flip the flag upside down, it resembles the flag of Poland. It's amazing how small changes can result in completely different flags. Many Arab countries' flags have similar designs and colors, using the pan-Arab colors of red, black, green and white. It's remarkable how these few colors become so symbolic for many countries in the region. Another instance of common colors used in flags can be seen in the Balkans, but the pan-Slavic colors of red, white and blue are frequently used. These colors are based on the Russian flag and have become a symbolic of Slavic unity. The Libyan flag was once so simple that it was hard to call it unique. Before 2011, it consisted of just one solid color, green. However, the flag has since been changed to feature a much more distinctive design, incorporating the pan-Arab colors of red, black, green, and white. Afghanistan seems to have a bit of a flag identity crisis, having changed their flag a whopping 30 times in just over a century. That's quite a lot of design work. Denmark's flag has a remarkable legacy, as it has been used continuously for over 800 years, and it holds the Guinness World Record for being the longest serving flag design. Flag designs have a captivating history and evolution, and they still hold a great importance in representing a nation's identity.